Hello, YouTube family. This is Alpha Tier Crawford with Finance Up. My channel is all about helping you reach financial independence, whether it's through stocks, real estate, credit card arbitrage, creating multiple streams of income, or starting and growing a business. In this video, I have compiled 10 plus money-making business ideas to help you come closer to your financial independence. So sit back and enjoy the video. If you like what you see, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And thanks for your continued support. And you know how we do. Let's share the screen and let's go. Tiny home profits. Are tiny homes profitable? Yes, tiny homes can make a profitable real estate investment option, particularly as a vacation rental. Also, tiny homes can do very well on Airbnb and be a great source of extra income. They're fast becoming popular as an affordable and unique way to experience the tiny house movement. However, you need to be mindful of location and zoning laws to make it worth your while. Remember, the profitability of tiny homes or houses will lie primarily in rental opportunities. Mobile car wash profits. Are mobile car wash businesses profitable? Yes, a mobile car wash business can be a lucrative business opportunity with minimum startup investment. The best competitive advantage you can create is to always provide high quality service to your customers, especially by always showing up on time and delivering timely car wash services. A basic mobile car wash service can go from $20 to $50, and a full car detailing job, both interior and exterior, can cost $100 to $150 on average. With that being said, if a full-time established mobile car wash business has an average of 3 jobs per day, 5 days a week, charging $100 per job, the business can make $78,000 per year. Food truck profits. Are food trucks profitable? Yes, approximately 50% of food trucks reportedly made $150K or more in revenue per year. These figures show that a successful food truck can indeed be a profitable venture, even rivaling revenue of some brick-and-mortar restaurants. Note, not every food truck hits these high numbers, but if you are excited and committed to the success of your food truck, it's likely to be profitable. Pilot car profits. Is a pilot car business profitable? Yes, a pilot car business can make $30K to $50K plus per year minus expenses. So what is a pilot car business? A pilot car works in conjunction with the driver of an oversized truckload to make sure the truck reaches its destination safely. A pilot driver travels in front of or behind the truck in a separate vehicle, warning the public if there are traffic changes or obstacles due to the truckload. Dumpster rental profits. Is a dumpster rental business profitable? Yes, dumpster rental businesses are highly profitable. While the ROI of dumpsters is excellent, startup costs are high. If you need to buy dumpsters and or a roll-off truck and adequate storage space. However, once you've made the investment and got your marketing right, you have a steady and recession-proof business that you can scale by offering excellent service. Your profit margin should be about 50% after expenses, including storage rental and part-time labor. In your first year or two, if you are consistently renting 3 dumpsters a week, you can bring in over $78,000 plus in annual revenue. Shed moving profits. Is shed moving profitable? Yes, independent shed movers make good money every time they transport a shed. The going rate is $500 for a typical local shed transport. So if you deliver 2 sheds per week at $500 each, that can equal $4,000 per month minus expenses. Generally, there's nothing else required of the driver except to deliver the shed to its destination and or any additional DOT, Department of Transportation permits required due to shed size. Window cleaning profits. Is window cleaning profitable? Yes, starting a window cleaning business is certainly profitable. The average window cleaner makes between $50 to $70 per hour. Whether you want to start a commercial or residential window cleaning business, you may have the opportunity to earn around $3,000 per week. Window cleaning has low overhead costs with tons of opportunity for growth. Locksmith profits. Is a locksmith business profitable? Yes, a locksmith business tends to have a high markup on services. Because it is a low overhead business, most of what you charge is profit. A one-man person locksmith business can make between $40K to $60K per year minus expenses. How many of us have locked ourselves out of our car or home? So if you are looking for a business with nearly limitless profit potential and constant demand, a locksmith business is a great idea. Poop profits. Can you get paid to poop? Yes, you can get paid lots of money for your poop with human microbes, who is paying super donors $500 per stool. This adds up to $180K per year if donating a daily stool. Human Microbes' goal is to find the fewer than 1% of people who are healthy enough to have high-quality stools. Here are the steps to become a stool donor with Human Microbes. 1. Complete the screening questionnaire. 2. Complete verification of stool type and physical fitness. 3. A video interview. And 4. Stool and blood testing. So contact Human Microbes to see if you are part of the 1% to get paid to poop. Solar farm profits. Are solar farms profitable? Yes, solar farms can be lucrative. The average solar farm annual profit per acre is between $21,250 to $42,500. The specific profit, of course, depends highly on the location of the land, the number of solar panels, and the amount of sunshine per season. On average, the return on investment for a standard size farm is 10 to 20% annually. Outdoor boat and RV parking lot profits. Yes, outdoor parking for boats, RVs, trailers, campers, and other vehicles can be a great passive income opportunity. Monthly parking rates range from $30 to $125. If you have 100 spaces at a rate of $125 per month, can result in $150,000 in annual revenue minus expenses like parking lot lease and parking lot maintenance. Ice vending machine profits. Are ice vending machines profitable? Yes, if you are looking into buying a high-quality ice vending machine, you can expect that machine to sell around 75 10-pound bags of ice each day. You'll probably end up spending about 25 cents per gallon on water, meaning you will be making $195 a day or $5,800 per month or $71,000 a year per machine, plus or minus other expenses like electricity, maintenance, ice bags, and or property lease and rent payments. you have it, YouTube family. 10 plus money making business ideas, part 3. I hope this information helps someone in their journey towards financial independence. Make sure you check out part 1 and part 2 of 10 plus money making business idea videos I did previously. I've left those links in the description box of this video. So again, this is Alpha Chair Crawford with Finance Up. Again, I hope this information helps someone. If you found this information helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Until the next video, you guys take care, and I will talk to you soon.